Tired of the tax season scavenger hunt? Let's ditch the drama and quickly grab your W-2 directly from Workday. First things first, fire up Workday and log in with your usual credentials. Once you're in, look towards the top of the screen and locate the search bar. It usually says something like search or find apps. Click into the search bar. Now type my tax documents. As you type, Workday will auto-suggest options. You should see my tax documents appear in the drop-down menu. Go ahead and click on that. You'll now be on the My Tax Documents page. Here, you might see a list of available tax forms. If not, look for a drop-down menu labeled Tax Year. Click on it. Select the tax year you need your W-2 for, usually the previous calendar year. Once you've selected the year, your W-2 form should appear. Look for a download icon, usually a downward-facing arrow or a disk icon, near the form, or a button that says View Download. Click on that download icon or the View Download button. Your W-2 will then download, usually as a PDF. Check your downloads folder, and there it is. You can now open, save, or print your W-2 as needed. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully located and downloaded your W-2 from Workday. Make sure to subscribe for more quick Workday tips and tricks.